faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established.
On 24th April 2021, Justice NV Ramana became the 48th Chief Justice of India, the highest ranking officer of the Indian Federal Judiciary. His tenure ends on 26th August 2022, and Justice Uday Umesh Lalit is all set to become the next Chief Justice of India. As the head of the Supreme Court, the Chief Justice is responsible for allocating cases and appointing constitutional benches at the top court. But the Constitution of India does not mention any procedure for appointing the CJI. So, how is the Chief Justice of India appointed? In the absence of any constitutional provision, the process of appointment follows a convention. The process starts when the outgoing CJI recommends a successor, who is usually the senior most judge in the Supreme Court. For example, the outgoing CJI, NV Ramana, was due to retire at the age of 65. After him, the most senior judge, Justice Uday Umesh Lalit, will be recommended as his successor. The recommendation is received by the Union Law Ministry, which is then forwarded to the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister then advises the President of India on the matter of appointment. However, seniority, which is the most important factor, is not defined by age. Instead, it depends on the number of years a judge has served in the top court. For example, in 2017, Justice Deepak Mishra and Justice Chelameshwar, the two most senior judges, served similar number of years in the Supreme Court. Justice Chelameshwar was 4 months older than Justice Mishra. In this case, it was Justice Mishra who was appointed the Chief Justice, as he took the oath first and was conferred seniority. In case of a deadlock when two judges have the same seniority, other factors come into play, like more years of experience in the High Court and who took the oath first. The actual procedure for appointing the CJI is laid out in the Memorandum of Procedure or MOP between the government and the judiciary. As per the MOP, the Union Law Minister seeks the recommendation of the outgoing CJI. If the CJI has doubts about the fitness of the senior-most judge to hold the post, then the Supreme Court Collegium is consulted. But the MOP is silent about a situation when the government disagrees with the incumbent CJI's recommendation. The central government has no role to play in the appointment of the CJI, except for the Union Law Minister seeking the recommendation from the incumbent CJI before sending it to the Prime Minister.